Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to my channel Let's See. This is Vanshika and today we are going to have a deeper look into the printf function. As we learned in my previous video, printf function can be used to output values or print text in C. In front of us is a very basic example of how we can use printf inside of a code. We can use printf function as many times as we want. However, we must note that it does not insert a new line at the end of the output. If we want to add a new line or change the line, we have to use \n character, which goes either at the end of the first line or the beginning of the second line, and it has to be inside of the double inverted commas. So this is how it looks, \n. And you see here we have changed the line. Similarly, I can delete this \n from here and put it here to get the same result. We can also use \n to differentiate between two different lines inside of one single printf function. But the reason I prefer avoiding it is because in cases of long programs, it makes the code very difficult to read and comprehend. We can use two \n's one after the other if we want to create a completely blank line like this. What is \n exactly? The new line character \n is called an escape sequence. It forces the cursor to change its position to the beginning of the next line on the screen, which results in a new line. We have learned all that we need to know about printing something on the screen. Now let's look into what does not go on the screen, which are the comments. Comments can be used to either explain a code or to make it more readable, and they can also be used to prevent execution when you're testing some alternative codes. Comments can be either single line or multi-line. Single line comments start with two forward slashes, and any text between these two and the end of the line is ignored by the compiler. For example, we may write over here start, and when I run it, only hello world would be printed. This whole portion will be ignored by the compiler. While on the other hand, multi-line comments start with a forward slash and a star, and they end with a star and a forward slash. Anything that goes between these two is ignored by the compiler. When I run this, we see that all of this part has been ignored by the compiler and only our statement has been printed. When it comes to choosing between single or multi-line comments, it is totally up to you whichever one you want to use. Normally, we use single line comments for shorter comments and multi-line comments for longer comments. Thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and ring the bell icon. Come on, it's free. And do come back for more content on C. See you soon. Bye bye.